Okay, welcome back to math. I hope some of you guys have already started to play on Prodigy. You're going to see that we have a new assignment up there, which is ordering decimals and fractions on number lines. I know your favorite thing, and also comparing fractions. So it's a little bit more work on that. You can do that any time that you want this week. It's only 15 questions. So sometime between now and Thursday, I'm just going to keep it live for the whole week. Okay, so our new lesson today, we're not learning anything new, but we're just going to be reviewing because tomorrow we're going to be starting our project for math, which is exciting for fractions. It's going to be based upon cooking. If we were at school, we would be actually doing cooking, but you guys are at home, which is actually going to be kind of cool because everyone gets to make their own thing. Whereas if we were at school, we'd be doing, we'd only have a few recipes like voted on and selected. So this is actually kind of cooler for you guys. Okay, so plan for today is we're going to be reviewing the morning math quiz, which was on Edmodo. Then we're going to look at the edits that were on Seesaw from the other day. And then today's task. So first of all, for Edmodo, oh, that's Prodigy. Okay, so Minnie Mouse did, or actually it should be Sparky, did his assignment and he got 4 out of 6. So I'm just going to show you guys the questions with the correct answers. If you want to see exactly what you got, like which exact questions you got right or wrong, let me know. Otherwise, this might kind of jog your memory for what you put. Because I know that you can see your point total, but I don't think that you're able to actually see which questions you got right and wrong. Okay, so first of all, and you also might have had them in a different order, perhaps. Okay, so converting the fraction of 1/10 to a percent would be, we would multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So we would get 1 times 10, which is 10%. Okay, hopefully you do well with that one. Next one is, okay, a percent is a special type of ratio with one of the terms as 100. That is true. Because the other term would be whatever it was out of. So the last one, for example, would have been like 10 to 100, which would be a percent. Okay, next, and that was also in our notes. If you go back to your notes, that was exactly one of the first things we said about what is a percent. Okay, and then converting 3/4 to a percent is 75 because the magic number would be 25. 25 times 4 is 100. 25 times 3 is 75. Number 4, okay, this was actually an old PAT question. So I kind of changed the wording a little bit. So the Milky Way chocolate bar has 10 equal slices of chocolate. Daniel got hungry and ate some of it. What percent is equivalent to 4/5 of the chocolate bar? Okay, so very similar to the other one, our magic number would be 20. So 20 times 4 is 80. Okay, hopefully we're okay for that one. Next is, okay, Minnie Mouse got this one wrong. Okay, so Minnie Mouse and Sparky both did the same math test. Minnie got 22 out of 25 and Sparky got 90%. Who did better on the test and by how much? So for this one, you might have needed to have a piece of paper out to do your calculations. So for this, we know 22 out of 25. Okay, well, what's the magic number? How do we get the denominator of 25 to be 100? Magic number would be 4. So we have to multiply both by 4. So that means 22 times 4. We can do that with just basic facts, which is 88. Okay, so 88%. So Minnie Mouse got 88%, whereas Sparky got 90. So Sparky 90 is 2% better than what Minnie Mouse got, which is 88. So the answer should be F. Okay, last one. This was also an old PAT question. What percent of images of the image is shaded blue? Okay, so this one, what we had to do is we had to figure out, well, how many pieces are in the full? So we know 1, this would be 2, 3, 4, 5, times, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so denominator is 25. Plus how many's on top? How many blues do we have? So what's the numerator? 1, 2, 3. They're each 3. 3 times 4 is 12, right? So we're doing 12 times 4. So the answer should be 48. The answer is 48 because we had 12 times 4, which gives us 48. Okay, so sorry, actually should be 48%. Okay, so if you want to see those, or you want me to give you more information upon exactly what you did wrong, let me know. Okay, so that's that. Next is look at the edits on Seesaw. Okay, so Seesaw, oh, this is your one from today. Okay, now back to class. Okay, so first of all, you were supposed to go over your pizza party, your edits for the pizza party. Okay, so check how you did on those, and then also check if you made your correct fixes for this, putting it all together. Okay, you're gonna see comments on those, so hopefully you've already gone over those. And then I'll be starting to go over, me and Miss Jenna Lee will be going over how you did on these tricky conversions of word problems. So you can check also your edits on that. If I've gotten to it by the time that you are watching this. Okay, then the new assignment for today is on, okay, yes, what is our assignment for today? So it is on, okay, it's this. So we're doing page 195 in the textbook, questions 7 to 13, which is going to be due tomorrow. You're going to notice this is the very end of our cumulative review for this entire unit, which is why we're doing our project instead of a unit test starting tomorrow. So the questions in the textbook are this. Okay, place these pair of numbers on a number line. Okay, so this one only has 2, and these ones are quite simple, so I'd like you to do all of these. For number 8, place the pair of numbers in each set on a number line. Show your work, list the numbers from least to greatest. Okay, so for this one, this is what I would like you to do on Edmodo, or sorry, on Seesaw. Okay, I've made up this. You're going to see it. So choose any of the 3 sets of numbers, A, B, C, or D, to display on a number line. I've given you a number line here. Okay, so even though it says here there's A, B, and C, you do not need to do all of them unless you want to. You only need to show me one of them that you choose on Seesaw. If you want to challenge yourself, they actually go in order of kind of like easiest to hardest. So if you want to challenge yourself, you kind of go for C rather than going for A or B to show me on Seesaw. If you want to do the other ones in your notebook, go for it. Okay, for the punch question, okay, this one, you do not need to use grid paper. You do not need to do the diagram. Okay, you do not need to do this, but I would like you to do this. Questions B and C. Okay, this is, so A is optional only if you want to. Number 10, this is great. It's kind of actually similar to the question that was on the morning math with the different colors. So you have to, do both of these ones. And then number 11 is also going to be shown to me on Seesaw. So what percent of the buttons in question 10 are red? Okay, that one hopefully is pretty simple for you to do. And then this one, okay, so you're using your own math book for this. This is really similar to a question that we did earlier on Seesaw. So you're just gonna color this in, the rest is red. Okay, what fraction of the hundredths and decimal to describe each color? Okay, so that's pretty easy. And then what percent of the grid is red? So that one is really similar to the hiking question that we did actually earlier. And then this one is really similar to the one that we just did on Edmodo for Minnie Mouse and Sparky, comparing their test results. So you can see who did better, Connor or Rose. Okay, so that is it for tomorrow. This one I'm going to be assigning to you. Where is it? Yeah, the one that's in Seesaw looks like the one that I just showed you. Okay, this, and I'll actually have to load that up. Okay, anyway, it's due tomorrow by 8:30. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. And have fun with Prodigy also. It should be not too bad for you guys to do, but you have the whole entire week to do it. Okay, see you soon.